Press the latch to separate the power head assembly from the bucket. Use a T20 bit to remove the 2 screws securing the handle. Flip the cover assembly upside down and separate the dust filter framework assembly. Use a T20 bit to remove the 9 screws securing the salver. Use a T20 bit to remove the 10 screws securing the lower housing assembly. Flip the power head assembly over and open the cover assembly. Remove the 2 silicone strips. Unplug the 4 wires connecting to the main electric assembly. Remove all the signal sealing wires from the wire traps. Use a T20 bit to remove the 4 screws securing the sealing pins. Replace and tighten the 4 screws that secure the sealing pins. Realign the wires within the wire traps. Insert the 2 silicone strips. Plug the 4 wires connecting to the main electric assembly. Route all wires in the wire trap and close the cover assembly. Tighten the 10 screws to secure the lower housing assembly. Tighten the 9 screws to secure the salver. Mount the dust filter framework assembly. Flip the cover assembly over and tighten the 2 screws to secure the handle. Mount the power head assembly and lock the latch.